how to log into Blackboard in our School District of Waukesha Blackboard Learn account. We do that by typing in bb9.waukesha.k12.wi.us right in our Chrome browser. And then I'm going to put my username and password in. Pretty much for everybody in Waukesha, it's going to be the same as your school district Gmail account. And now I'm logged into my Blackboard account. Yours might look a little different. You might have different classes, maybe not as many. Here on the top are the classes that I'm an instructor in, that I'm teaching, that I can edit and build these courses. Down below I see courses that I'm a student in. You should have the Blackboard in SDW course down here where you're a student in. And we'll go and click on that. Now if you are viewing this video in Blackboard, you've already done this and you're already here. So now I'm at the Getting Started part of the course. Over here is the course menu. In the course menu, the first section is Getting Started. Then we have the course design, building basics, and so on. This is the way that this course was built and set up. Down below we have some other tools that we'll talk about a little later. In the Getting Started part of the course, it just gives us some background information, maybe a video, lets us know how the course works. So the next thing I'll do is I'll go over to Course Design. When I click on Course Design, I get into this section of the course. This section and this particular course is built out with what we call learning modules. Every learning module can contain a lot of information, lots of pages of information. I'm going to click on the first learning module called Finding Your Way Around Blackboard. And there's a video and some other information. But you see there are at least 9 different pages here. So I can maybe talk about the Blackboard and Learn interface. I can look at course modules. And I can even take a look at what the control panel is all about. When I get through all of these, I'm ready to go back to course design, which I could get from the course menu, or I could follow the breadcrumbs and go back to it right this way. And now I want to check out the next learning module, in this case the Class Tools. Here in the Class Tools module, you notice there's a lot of information, lots of pages, 20 pages of information, all about the announcements, the blogs, portfolios, the discussion board, and so on. Each one of these has a lot of information, some videos you can go through, and really you're going to want to skim through this part of the course. This gives you so much information that you're not ready to use yet. You're going to want to come back here later on when you find that you're ready to use it. You're going to get to a point where you're going to want to be building your own course, and that's where the Building Basics section comes in. I'll click on that, and actually this course is still in progress. I haven't finished building this course yet. So in the next video we're actually going to show you how to build some courses by sort of the making of this course kind of video. We'll sort of build it as we go. Before we end this video though, we'll take a quick look at the Edit Mode button. For you, because you're a student in the course, you cannot turn on the edit mode. But because I'm an instructor, I can click on it and turn on edit mode, and now all sorts of different types of tools become available to me. These tools will become available to you when you're an instructor and are actually in edit mode on your own course. When I turn edit mode off, now I can view this course the way my students view it. One other quick thing before we leave this video, over here on the top we have a home button and we have this arrow. If we click on this down arrow, I can go back and quickly move from one course to another. I have a Science 8 course, so I can quickly go into my Science 8 course and I can come back into the Blackboard course using this down arrow. I can navigate myself, and your students can navigate themselves throughout their different courses this way. In the next videos, we'll take a look at actually building courses, and we'll actually demonstrate the building of this course. That should be kind of cool.